Hello students, myself Navneet Patel, and today we are going to explain about the further topic of the electrolysis. Okay students, so as you know, in previous video we have already discussed about the different type of the cell and the electrolysis process, but today we are going to explain the electro application of the electrolysis. Okay students, so there are various applications of the electrolysis, but here we will discuss only three applications. First one, the electroplating of the metal, and second one, electro refining of the metals, and the third one is the extraction of the metal. Okay, so these three topics we will discuss in the topic applications of the electrolysis. So our first topic is the electroplating. So what is the electroplating? As you look in the market, different types of the toys are there, but toys are the made by the iron, but the layer of the nickel and the other metals are the coating above the toys. Okay, so how this process is going on, how this process will be held. Okay, so this process is known as the electroplating. What is the actual definition of the electroplating? Electrolytic process involving the deposition of a thin film of a superior metal. Superior metal means those metal which can electroplate on the another metal. Okay, so on the surface of the inferior metals, okay, like as iron, copper, brass, etc. So suppose we take an iron rod and we want to coat with a thin film by another metal. So another metal will be superior. That means according to the electrolytic series. Okay. So what is the reason behind this? Why we do the electroplating on the metals? So basically, what is the actual reason behind this? Why we do the electroplating on the metals? Okay, students. So these two reasons are there. First reason is to prevent the metal for the corrosion and rusting. That means the first reason is for the production of and the inferior metals like as copper, iron, okay, brass, bronze, etc. Okay, from the corrosion and rusting. Okay, and the second point is for the improving the appearance of an inferior metals. If we take iron rod, so it have the dull color due to the rusting and in the formation of the metal oxides. Okay, but if we coat the another metal which create the glow on the surface of the inferior metals, so the physical appearance of the metal should be high and brightly. So you can say basically two reasons, okay, behind this for the electroplating. And what are the conditions for the electroplating? So these are the first condition: the articles to be electroplated must be made in the cathode. Article to be electroplated must be made the cathode. Okay, like as iron, if we nickel coated on the surface of iron, so then iron should be the cathode on the electrolysis process. And second, superior metal must be the made in anode. The metal which is coated on the inferior metal, okay, that is known as the superior metal. So this metal should be at the anode. That means the anode made by the superior metal. Okay, now third one is the electrolyte should be in favor of the superior metal. Means the metal which are used on the electroplating, the superior metal in the electrolytic in the favor of the superior metal. That means the ions which present in the electrolytic solution, okay, so should be in the favor of the superior metal. And third one, the current should be the lowest end. Current should be not AC. Okay, always we use the DC current always we use the DC current, not use the AC current, and the having the low strength nature, that means not use the high ampere volt current. Is that clear? In next video we will discuss the how can we electroplate the on the metal. Okay, thank you for watching.